Take a look around. What are your things made of? Your chair, your clothes, your toys, even your toothbrush. Some materials come from nature, like wood or cotton, but many are made by humans in factories. These are called synthetic materials, and they're everywhere in your daily life. Synthetic just means man-made. Scientists design these materials to be strong, stretchy, or colorful, whatever we need. Today, we'll explore two big groups: synthetic fibers and plastics. Synthetic fibers are in your clothes, carpets, and ropes. Plastics, they're in bottles, keyboards, and so much more. Understanding these materials helps us use them wisely and think about their impact on our planet. Some can cause environmental problems if we're not careful. So let's get curious and discover what makes up our stuff. Ready for a science adventure? Let's dive into the world of synthetic fibers and plastics. Science is all about curiosity. Let's go! What are synthetic fibers? They're man-made threads created in factories using chemicals. Unlike cotton or wool, synthetic fibers are born from clever chemistry. Here's the science. Tiny chemical units called monomers link together to form long chains called polymers. This process is called polymerization. Scientists can design these fibers to be strong, stretchy, or water-resistant. Why invent them? Sometimes natural fibers are too expensive or not strong enough. Synthetic fibers can be cheaper, tougher, or have special qualities. They're woven into fabrics for clothes, ropes, carpets, and more. Natural fibers come from plants or animals, but synthetics are made in labs. This lets scientists solve problems and create new materials. The result? Innovation in what we wear and use every day. Synthetic fibers change the world of textiles. It's all about making life easier and better. That's the power of science. Meet the stars of synthetic fibers. First, Rayon, soft like silk made from wood pulp and found in dresses and curtains. Next, Nylon, the first fully synthetic fiber. It's strong, elastic, and used in ropes, parachutes, and even toothbrush bristles. Polyester is everywhere, your shirts, jackets, and even water bottles as PET. It's durable, dries fast, and resists wrinkles. Acrylic feels like wool but is lighter and cheaper. It's in sweaters, blankets, and socks and holds bright colors well. Each fiber has unique strengths: softness, strength, quick drying, or warmth. Scientists designed them to solve real-world problems. That's why they're so common in our lives. From clothing to home goods, synthetic fibers are all around us. They make life more comfortable and colorful, and they keep getting better as science advances. Next time you get dressed, check the label. You're probably wearing science. Synthetic fibers are everywhere for a reason. Synthetic fibers have superpowers: strength, durability, and quick drying. Clothes made from them last longer and are easy to care for. They resist wrinkles and are often cheaper than natural fibers. Many are water repellent, making them perfect for raincoats, umbrellas, and swimwear. Factories can produce them in huge quantities, making them widely available. But here's a hot tip: synthetic fibers melt when exposed to high heat. They don't burn like cotton. They melt and can stick to your skin. So avoid wearing them near open flames or while cooking. Always check the label before ironing. Use low heat. Their strengths make them popular, but safety matters too. Synthetic fibers are practical, but handle them wisely. Enjoy their benefits, but remember their limits. Science gives us amazing materials. Let's use them smartly. Stay safe and stay curious. Let's talk plastics. Like synthetic fibers, plastics are made of long chains called polymers. Their superpower? They can be molded into almost any shape: bottles, toys, phone cases, and more. Plastics can be hard or soft, clear or colorful, and are used everywhere. There are two main types: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics soften with heat and can be reshaped. Think plastic bags and bottles. Thermosetting plastics set hard and can't be remolded, like Bakelite in switches or melamine in dinnerware. Plastics are versatile, lightweight, and affordable. They make modern life possible in countless ways. But their convenience comes with challenges. Knowing the types helps us use them better. Plastics are more than just toys. They're a foundation of our world. Let's see how they work and why they matter. Science shapes our everyday life. Plastics are lightweight, strong, and don't rust or react with water. They're great insulators, making them perfect for wire coatings and pan handles. Plastics are cheaper than metals, making products more affordable. But here's the problem. Most plastics are non-biodegradable. They don't break down naturally and can last hundreds of years in landfills. Plastic waste piles up, polluting land, rivers, and oceans. Animals can get tangled in plastic or mistake it for food, which can be deadly. Plastic pollution harms wildlife and our planet. We see plastic litter everywhere, from city streets to remote beaches. The convenience of plastics comes at a cost. It's a huge environmental challenge. We need to rethink how we use and dispose of plastics. Understanding the problem is the first step. Science can help us find solutions. Let's be part of the change. Plastics are useful, but we must act responsibly. Follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce means using less plastic. Choose products with less packaging and avoid single-use items. Reuse plastic items as much as possible. Bags, containers, bottles. Get creative. Turn old bottles into plant pots or organizers. Recycle by sorting and cleaning plastics so they can be made into new products. Choose eco-friendly alternatives like cloth or jute bags. Synthetic fibers and plastics have changed our world, but we must use them wisely. Their non-biodegradable nature means we need to be careful. By practicing the 3 R's, we can reduce pollution and protect our planet. Science gives us amazing tools. Let's use them for good. Keep learning, keep questioning, and help make a difference. Together, we can build a better future.